Hey there! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of bats. These remarkable creatures are more than meets the eye. Did you know that bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight? And what's truly astounding is their incredible longevity and resistance to diseases, even cancer. But what sets them apart from us humans is their superpower, echolocation. Bats navigate and pinpoint objects through emitted sound waves, liberating them from the constraints of visual illumination. Unlike our human predicament, bats are a diverse bunch, making up a whopping 20% of the entire mammalian population with over 1,400 distinct species worldwide. Take the bumblebee bat, for example. It's an ethereal entity weighing just 2 grams. On the other hand, you've got the flying foxes, with wingspans up to 1.5 meters and weighing up to 1.6 kilograms. But here's the kicker. Bats play a paramount role in preserving ecological equilibrium. They're indispensable in vital domains like pollination and regulating insect populations. The secrets of bats lie within their genomes. Genome sequencing has become a vital tool in understanding the viruses that bats carry, often referred to as the bat virome. The Bat1K Global Genome Consortium is on a remarkable mission. They're working tirelessly to sequence the genomes of all 1,400 bat species. Bats have relatively small genomes with approximately 2 billion bases. Yet, within these genomes, scientists have uncovered some incredible insights. By comparing the genomes of different bat species, researchers have discovered something truly remarkable. Genes involved in metabolism and immune response have been positively selected. This means that these bats have evolved to enhance their abilities in these critical biological domains. But it doesn't end there. Natural selection has even played a role in the evolution of echolocation. The protein called pristine, crucial for echolocation, can be found in bats and dolphins alike. Now here's a real game changer. Bats have experienced significant changes in their immune response genes. The genes encoding proteins called interferons have undergone contraction in bats. This adaptation allows them to reduce the pro-inflammatory response to various viruses, ultimately protecting themselves from clinical disease. But perhaps one of the most astounding findings is that bats possess genes involved in tumor suppression and DNA repair that show signs of positive selection. This might explain their longer lifespan and significantly lower risk of developing cancer. The more we unlock the mysteries of bat genomes, the more we realize the incredible adaptations that have allowed these creatures to thrive. Remember, bats aren't just fascinating, they're essential for a healthy planet. Stay curious and keep learning.